Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki nong yalam ke Environment Coordination Committee jong ka Elaka Sutnga hene ka sngi lalit yakandu yu Joint Secretary of Forest and Environment bar hakani ka ju ka sngi lalit ban IT ru ya dorkas sya menteri rangba ka jilla habakren mi nong thok khubor nong ai buit ka ECC uba reading war ulai tho ba ka ECC ha ka dorkas ka bakila IT sya ka Sorkar kila ai ru ya ka action plan ka bakila pen kre ka ba ka Sorkar ka diwen pentrai kam haswa ba ka por kan kot habaya David ki Karkhana kok ki badan ha East Janta Hills baro ka way Shosho ba war lai thuru ba ka Sorkar kampat syam la lei ai habaya de ba ka jing batha jong ka NGT Ulaong baka ECC kanam Ailad da lei-leiru ya ka Sorkar ban ai Jaka ya ki Karkhana kok bakindan ha kathan bat ki deiru ban wengno ikitu ki bala dan rupa ki bambo di ki kendon ki bala batha
Office of the Honorable Chief Minister Sri K. Sorkar K. Sangma pertaining to the frame of an action plan regarding the offending coke oven units established prior to 23rd of 12/2020. Because now we have been fighting for these coke plants for the last 1 year, and we have come to the conclusion, and NGT also have given the judgment in favor of the people, in favor of the ECC as well, and the NGT also have given a direction, and the NGT also slapped the government. They say that government did not pay any respect to the life of the people. As per the finding of the NGT, it's found that all the coke plants which have obtained the CTO prior to the 23rd of December 2020 are all located within the human habitation area. So therefore, and in that judgment, at the same time, the NGT also have given a direction to the government to adopt or to frame an action plan towards the coke plants who obtained the CTO prior to the notification. So the main thing that in the judgment that the NGT placed that the notification regarding siting norms of the coke plants in the state of Meghalaya, which was notified on 23rd of December 2020, says that it should have a retrospective effect. That's mean for all those coke plants who obtained in prior to that date also, they have to abide with that siting norms. So in this regard, and NGT says that the government have to adopt or to frame the action plan within 4 months from the date of the judgment. So judgment was passed and on the 8th of July and is going to expire of the 4 months on the 8th of November. So in this regard, we went to a different concerned regulatory department as to inquire whether action plans has been adopted or has been framed in this regard as per the direction given by the NGT. However, we are surprised to learn that none of the departments have take initiative or have take any action regarding towards the judgment. So in this, at the same time also with the ECC, we place the suggestion of 9 numbers of the adoption or the action plan. At the first, that the action plan and its implementation shall be carried out within the period of 4 months, that is before the 8th of November 2022. Second, that all offending coke oven units established prior to 23rd of 12/2020 and have obtained CTO but could not meet the siting norms as provided should be closed down before the 8th of November 2022. Third, that if relocation of such coke oven units would be a part of the action plan, no coke plants should be granted with permission to operate within the Elaka, Sutnga or East Janta Hill district. If designated places have been made thereof in any part of the state, it should be far enough from the human habitation area. Fourth, that the government should not declare any area or place as industrial area or commercial area within the Elaka, Sutnga or at any circumstances. Fifth, no cluster of operation of coke plants should be granted with permission, and all standalone units should not be converted into cluster. Sixth, no coke oven plants should be granted with permission to operate within the Elaka in the near future. Seventh, on expiry of the time frame given under all offending code, when units should be given with direction to dismantle and to recreate, restore the place and surrounding. Eighth, that environment compensation which have been imposed to 31 different offending code units altogether, computing up to 5.5 crore, must be finalized before the 8th of November 2022. Ninth, the said amount may be compensating to all the affected area of the villages as to restore the damage that have been caused by the coke plants. Kalong ba hadin bangila ya kun ya kanega issue kabalong ki coke plants ke berdana po jongka Elaka ka jongi Elaka Sutnga pada hapo district bat ngila ile ru ya kanega kam man na po chidok senjiti but din katuan ni por ba tang hapo chisnem ba kanjiti ha bulan Julai pratrik kalau ai no ya judgment ha ka by day but ke issue jong ki ko plan ki badon hapo ka Elaka hapo district ba hapo jong state hi barok ka we te langba jong kini ke judgment jong ka NGT nanti na po Kolkata Eastern Zone kalau ai ya ki kai pot ya ki ki ba ka government ka de ban le ha ka de bat ki ko plans long kum man chu pai na ne pun kan mau biam ba ki don ki belong ki ba illegal ko plans ki bala dap khang but ka MSPC biru kalau ai ya ki refusal of consent but ha ka ju ko por ka MSPC biru kala file ya ki case hapo ki disikot nam ta jong gitu ki illegal coke plants. Di kesakno stang gitu ki ong ba balayo ya ka consent to operate dan ni ba ong dan ni ki bala ken ba la long illegal. Ti kat kum ka judgment jong GT ba habdeng bedang yat ya ketuga case ka GT kala pha ya government ya ban sim ya ki action dan ni ki ka bentak be ban sim ya gitu ki coke plants ki bala don dan ni ki bala yo ya ki CTO kat kum ka statistik ba ki don hapo izin tia jongi ki don kat arkli ki coke plants dan ni kita ki bala yo ya ki CTE hachwa jongka arkli nai kat arja arpo take entity ka kwa ba kat negi kini kan arkli ki ek state ka de ban le henry ba ka state kam shamla AA ya kini na ta kadau ha ka judgment ka pradrik Julai jong uni usnem ka jiti kala ai ya ha ka judgment kala ai ya ka por ya ka state ba ka state ke ban sna no ya ka action plan halor ba ka jiti kala ong ba ka MSPCB la ne ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ka don ya ka hok la ne ka don ya ka bor la pengkup ika kat kum ke air la ni water act ha kan sna exciting norms ha ka jo ka por ba ka NGT kala ong ya ka state government ka direct baik ka ai ya ka state government ong ba ka state government ka deban frame ya ka action plan namta jong kini ki coke plan ki ba yo ya ka situ hachwa apply rik na ba ka kemut kini deban but ya ka exciting norms kat kum bala ta lengba ka MSPCB te kasaubnai ke devan kutha ka pradrik ubnai November temene ngila up arbnai menta kala kut arbnai ngila late mene support secretariat wa ngila ikendu ro joint secretary jongka forest and environment department ban ikendu ro ya ki officer po MSPCB ha ka bangin keli ke action plan ya ka ba ka government kala plan lane kala konkret halor ke judgment ke bala ai lengba kan GT ke ba kendit the government haduk mentah karang yo thia baki ong bakam padon ke action plan ka ba ka government ke deban le kat kum balapta kan GT te ngihin ke liang jongka ECC ni singa kundit pan yo iya gane but ngila le cha ki officer kendo ki MSPCB kila itu ba impat don kenu ke direction ke bagi yo na government ha ka by day ya ka action plan na ka kadau ngi khlemban se namar ngim upshoot ya ka por haduk kut ya ka saubnai namar kat kum kene ke jing peta jong NGT hapok saubnai kamde ban kam ya ka pratrik jong November ki de ban pendep ya ka action plan ha ka bede bat kini ki ko plans ki bayo ya ka CTO te nak ta kadau nginak isisi ngila pengkre ya kumba kendai teli kita ki action plan ke government ke depan adopt habaka frame ya kini ke action plan kat kum ke jing ta jong city ka banongkong hi ba ke isisi kala peta ba ke action plan ke de bar pengkre kam hapo ki saubnai kata kemut haswa jong ke pratrik November ar ka bar ba barok kini ki ko plan ki offending ko plan habang yong ki offending ko plan kemudian gitu ki plan hi ki ba yo CTO balegi ke entity ke ong ki offending ko plan namar kini ki ko plan kat kum ka report lani kat kum ka affidavit balak file leng ba ke MSPSB chak NGT ke ong ba ka pen iba barok kini ki ko plan ki hapo ka 8 kilometer naka human habitation area kamut naki snong naki thau kamut kini ki ko plan kamut kat kum ka judgment jong sti kila kun kila lap ba ki don be hapo snong ki thau na ta kadau ba ya kila categorize be ki offending ko plan ki ba establish prior in haswa jong ar flight banai bakat ar azar arpo ki de ban kini ki de ban boot ya kini ke norms lani ya kini ke notification kebalai kelong ba ladaga government hapo jonga plan jonga ke don ke plan relocation yo lesi ke don ke kini ki ko plan kila ban claim bagi la don ya ke hok bagi menteri na mar la yo ya ka CTO te yo lesi hakata kom ke government kila ban plan ba de ban relocate tinggi la bu ya kini ke we na ka benta ke balai bagi kini ke ko plan kiba ladaka government ka plan ni ki ban relocate ane pan kriya ki chaka kimde ban pan kriya ki dalile hapo jong ke Elaka ke jong ba government la ban ra shunu ki jaka ki bakat mu ban ra ani ka bala ban ra henry hapo ke Elaka dalile henry kumban chuban ya ki banta ladaka long kumta kin ban ra relocate ya ki ko plan hapo ke Elaka kalong ka consequence lani ka jingjia ka lowe kalong ka ba crowd ka jing yiki kan long ba crowd na liang ba but na liang jongki Elaka ro de ka basau ba ka ICC ka bu ya ka ni ka jing tentu ha ba de action plan ba ka government kam de ban declare industrial area la ni commercial area hapo jongka Elaka ka jongi namar yo lesi ka government kala don ka jing thmu jongka ya ka ban sna la ni ban theo ban pen kelas waki industrial area la ni ki mini industrial area haban ra relocate no ya ki plan na kata kadau ba ngina keliang jong ICC but kasur jong pai ba na Elaka jong hi bro ka we ba ngi de lele ngimsha ba ka government kan declare la ni ban designate ya ka nuk area kum ka commercial la ni kum ka industrial area hapo jong ke Elaka na keliang ICC ngibu ba haduk mentah kini ki ko plan ki yo be ya tang ke permission ke CTO jong ki kumba ki ong ka stand alone ke bamut ha ke we pe jaka ke de bandon tang ke we ka ko plan te ke government kam de ban convert ya ke ni ke CTO ke jong ki saka cluster dalil lengim sya ban convert ya ka stand alone license jong ki la ni CTO saka cluster ke de ban long bet ka kumba ki la yo ya ka stand alone ke benru ba in future la ni haduk mentaru ngidang batbet ba delele government kam de ban ai la ni ban ai ke permission la ni ban ai ki CTO ya ke plan hapo jong ke Elaka ke jongi ke bahnyo ba hadin bala ondal akut ya ke ni ondal akut ke ni ke sau banai ya ke baka NGT ke la peta government bahkan sna ya ke action plan ke government ha ke juk ke por ke de ban ai ya gitu hi ke bala long ki ba kimlawan boot ya ka sighting norms ani ka kum ke notification kemud government ke depan ai sendon ru ha ka juk por ya ka dismantling order kemud ka mentoi AA ya ki bandon itu ke depan ai no ya ka dismantling order ha shwa ban kut ya ban kut ka sau benai ke bapra hi ke long ba ngitip ba kat kum ke bor bala kat kum ke bor la bala pengkup lang bagi ai ki ba per ya ka MSPCB Kasit Pollution Control Board ba kala impose ka fine ngatrai kening la dep update ru hapok ki press ki board bla dep ba ki hadu like with li ki cook plans ki itu balong illegal but kala don ki impose ya ka fine environmental compensation ke ba pair ke poi don ke we poi hadu sam ku saulak ru te barok ke sum up ya kini ki like with li ke poi hadu sam sanklur sanlak ke mut ki de ban siu taki e ke bang tip hadu mentah Bahaduk mentah kini kiko plan kimpat siu ya kini kepisah cepok ka MSPCB. Te halor jing pak siu jong ka MSPCB ru ka NGT ka kubur ya kini ke longkat kum ka ain. But ngi nagaliang ka ICC ngi bu khamat government ba hachwa jong kini ka pratrik November. Shawan kut kini ka sau benai kemut kini kepisah sanklur sanlak ke deban poi ni kini kiko plan ki belat with lik bela. Sha impose ni bela bu ya cha fine ki deban poi no ya bisa hachwa ban kut jong kani ka sawnai ke bakandai ka ya kani ke bisa ke baki kok plan namar lengbak jing le bi an jong ki ke jing tre bi an jong ki hapo ki leka jong ni ya kani ke bisa undal approach MSPCB ka government ke deban sna ya ka policy kumnuan penangkam ya kani ke bisa da ka ba ka government ke deban pha la ne ban ai da kani ke bisa syak tu gisnom ki bala sakta lang ba jong kini ki illegal la ne kini ki ko plan ki ba thang bi ai te ngi kan tu ya government ba kani ke bisa kam deban perkhat mane ki deban perkhat de we ki non kam chek we ka fon and divert ka fon hendre kani hi deban poi ba direct deban snaik policy harwa non kam kini bisa ban restore pen club yang le pen thmai biang ya ke tu ki Jaka ke bala pen sniu la ki tu ki snong ki bala sakta lang ba jong kini ke ko plan te kini knai li ki de ki benta ba ke ICC mane kalawan bu hakmat jong government ke deban adopt yaki hak action plan ke bagi deban pendep po saubnai nadu ka tarik baka nyo ya judgment na po ka MGT don haduk saub nyo tuli po isentia te barok kilong illegal kemut kitu illegal kilayo closure notice kilayo ya ka compensation environmental compensation fine te kitu kim trehi kim don hi batai menta kitu ki batai ki tang kitu hi ki baki ong baki yo ka CTO now the only concern is ba ngidang wa up economic action plan for those who obtain CTO lada hadin sau benai laga government kam shim ya keno action laga government ka fail ban implement ya gani ka action plan ke bala direct la ni bala ai ka kum judgment jong ga NGT ngi nagaliang jong ki kun kasu jong pai ba na ka Elaka ngi le bat ngin chim da ka rai ke ba tang ban persya ya ni ki ko di sakaweru ke bang singopla long ka bang singopla bang itip ba kini life with legal plans bang latip ba ka government kala update ru apo ki session ki ba pair ba ki ong ba ki la file ya ki case ki criminal case apo jong ki disikut ke bang pla bat nge ka kum ka jing tip ke jongi ka kum ba kini ki petition la ne kini ke case ke ba ki la file apo disikut ki cha dismiss no namar ka kum ki order ki ong ba ka MSPCB ki file ya kini kam de kat kum ka procedure ka ngisngyo pla ba ngisngyo lungo kat ki official ni kat ka MSPCB bala paid ng ba ka honorable minister jongi James Sangma bah kumno ki file ya kini ki petition kumno ki file ya kini case claim da don ka jingnang ka start na ta kadaw ki case ki ba file ya ki ko plan hapo isentia mantak kila ayap no na marba kalong improper na ne ka kam de ka kum procedure bagi deban file te ngi kermen ba ngim mundur ba kat MSV kin don ni kim long kim don tang ya kata ka idea kumno ka kom file ya kini ki case ni criminal case against ya kini ki ko plan.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.